Hi students, in the previous exercise we create four-way intersection using intersection wizard in Civil 3D. In this exercise we will create three-way intersection using intersection wizard of Civil 3D. As you can see, we have road D and road C, and then we have a T-type section. You can also call this as a three-way or as a T-type intersection. So you can click here for create intersection and just click the midpoint of intersection, then just wait and it will open with create intersection dialog box. Here on the general tab, leave everything as it is, just verify that all ground maintain corridor type selected, then press next. Here for intersection alignment priority, just verify road D should be the first priority of your intersection. We will use offset and curb return parameter as it is. If you just open, you can see here we have 4.5 meter for right and left. These are the offset values of primary road, which you can select for road D and road C also. Just press OK, and here for curb returns parameter, here we have two quadrants, NE and SE. If you just put them aside, you can see now we have on the northeast quadrant, and you can put values for this quadrant. If you want to do with the next, then you can go with SE quadrant and you can put values here, but we will use as default values for all of these for lane slope parameter and curb return profile parameter for now. Just press next, and here add to an existing corridor, because we have an existing corridor in our drawing. Then we can put this corridor to those corridor, and here select surface to daylight. You can select existing surface. If you have already created intersection assemblies in your drawing, then you can select them here for each lane. But if you have not, then you can also still create intersection, because Civil 3D have those assemblies for you. If you see here, curb return fillet, for this you can select curb return. For primary road we need full section. Now these are assemblies which we are selecting for each lanes, and you can see here for your road previews and assembly preview also. For this, here we need to select left half, again for here right half, and then for the secondary road full section we need full section here, and then here for left half, and here we need right half. Okay, so before create intersection, just save as a bit, and here you can give any name like 1004 and save, and then create intersection, and your intersection has been ready for road D and road C. So if you want to create road C and road B intersection, again same process, create intersection, just select the middle point here and all ground maintained. Next, leave them as it is, and for now just put here and verify existing surface. For these assemblies we need to select our template which we already save in the previous steps. Press OK and it will give you ready to go. just create intersection. So it's very simple to create intersection corridor using intersection wizard. Just select this corridor and pull the diamond grip to here, and it will fulfill your road corridor. So we can also create this intersection using same method, but we are using intersection wizard of Civil 3D to create intersection. In the next exercise, we will create manual intersection for corridor, and we will learn how we can create those intersections for typical intersection geometry to fulfill our road corridor. Stay tuned with us.